During this pandemic, there's a lot of things are being done online, and most of them requires an audio input, which is the mic. As you may know, mic is an important part of producing a video. There's a lot of variation when it comes to the quality of it. Most people use around $100 to $500 price range for a high quality audio, and it's pretty expensive for us. But what if I can get a high quality audio without having to spend much money? Here's the answer: FiFine K678, the underrated budget piece. When I opened the box looks very cool. The packaging looks pretty clean. I'm pretty satisfied, and I know that something inside is an absolute banger. Now let's talk what's in the box. In the box, there's a mic that comes with a stand, which is pretty cool, so you don't have to buy a stand mic unless you want to hang in mid-air. There's an adapter, which is I don't know what's that for. I'm gonna figure it out later. And there's an 8-top USB cable to connect the mic to the laptop, and a welcome card. Talking about the build quality, it feels pretty solid compared to my old mic that only costs around $10. This 10 looks pretty solid too. There's some adjustable knob switches, mic gain sensitivity, mute button, volume control if you want to connect your headset into the mic so you can hear yourself talking. Connecting the mic into the PC is really easy. You don't need any sorts of software installation, you just need to connect the USB cable to the computer and it's done. Now it's time for sound test. In sound test, there's some variation that I'll do, which is the first one, the keyboard sound test, and the second is the voiceover sound test. As a disclaimer, all the audios is unedited or raw. Alright, so this is a sound test with mic gain around 50%. Once again, I'll repeat, this is a voiceover sound test with mic gain around 50%. So talking about my opinion, I've been using my old mic for at least a year, and I noticed a big difference to the audio quality. As myself talking, the mic is a pretty good option if you want to get a high quality audio without have to spend much money. So that's been the end of this video. Leave a like if you really like the video. Don't forget to subscribe if you want to be notified when I upload a new video. Now, thank you and peace out.